What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Not Dumb Money. For today's video, we talk about Nvidia. I asked you guys to submit questions on Instagram, and boy, did you have questions. You guys submitted more than 100 questions. I obviously can't answer all of them, but I'll cover the 5 most popular questions. But first, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. You can help me grow the channel and maybe one day give me the privilege of being able to do this full time. If you're already a subscriber, I love you. Okay, so the first question comes from @Alyssa_Christian_. The question is short and sweet. Price target? Many of you had the same question. My current price target is $710. I used a combination of discounted cash flow valuation and market multiples. For market multiples, I focused on Nvidia's price to earnings ratio, price to sales ratio, PEG ratio, and EV to earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization. I think Nvidia deserves to trade at a premium when compared to its peers because it's a much faster growing company today than it was 4 or 5 years ago. Nvidia is worth about $500 based on market multiples and over $900 based on my discounted cash flow model. My blended valuation is $710. Okay, question 2. This one comes from @Eldergrad. I hope I'm saying that one right. So the question is, think they'll do a stock split this year? Well, the short answer is, I don't know. Nvidia does have a history of stock splits. They had 3 2-for-1 stock splits. The first one was in 2000, and then again in 2001, and yet again in 2006. In 2007, they had a 3-for-2 stock split. Having said that, they had never let the stock hit its current price level. The splits happened when the stock was trading in the mid 100s or in the $40 to $60 price range. So, it's quite possible that Nvidia might look at a stock split soon. But who knows? All right, moving on. Time for question number 3. This question comes from Jello_8. The question is, what do you expect about the deal with ARM? Oh, great question. I really hope the deal closes. The UK is looking into the deal, and so are the authorities in the US, China, and the European Union. In the UK, the Competition and Markets Authority said it will investigate the deal. In the US, the Federal Trade Commission started an in-depth probe. State media in China spoke against the deal, and the Chinese government owns 51% of ARM in China, so they could limit the acquisition if they wanted to. The European Union said scrutiny of the deal is warranted. If you ask me, I like to think that all of these investigations are typical of such a deal. I think Nvidia will give enough assurances to the British authorities to get them to allow the deal to happen. I don't think the European Union or the US will stand in the way. China might be the trickiest for Nvidia to navigate, but I don't see their position being a deal breaker. So, I do think the deal will eventually close, and when it does, it'll be great news for Nvidia. Alrighty then. Next question, and this one comes from the _meeting_place. And the question is, how much to invest to get $1,000 per year? My answer is, don't buy Nvidia if you're looking for dividends. Nvidia has a dividend yield of 0.12%. This means that to get $1,000 in dividends, you would need to invest over $830,000. If you buy Nvidia stock, you buy it for capital gain and not for dividends. And all right, look at that. Our last question comes from stock_success_. Their question is, how big of a role will Nvidia play in the EV market? Well, I think they have a very big role to play. Nvidia has partnerships with more than 350 automakers. This includes Volkswagen, Toyota, Audi, Volvo, Mercedes, and many more. Nvidia has established a strong position for itself in the development of artificial intelligence software that go hand in hand with its hardware. Nvidia's drive platform is now being used by EV companies such as NIO, Li Auto, XPeng, and others. The robotaxi from Amazon Zoox is powered by Nvidia. More and more LiDAR makers are becoming part of Nvidia's ecosystem. This includes Innoviz, Magna, Ouster, and others. Nvidia's automotive business unit is its smallest today, but it's high growth and has tremendous potential. And we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you got this far, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on Nvidia? Do you own their stock? Are you bullish or bearish? please let me know in the comments. And if you liked this video, please do me a huge favor, hit the like button and subscribe. Your support is literally everything, and it really, really helps me out. As always, it's been a pleasure. Much love. Peace.